Hi everyone, I know it's been a good while since I last uploaded my YouTube channel, and because, shit happens. So anyways, growing up in the Central Valley, you see a lot of weird people, especially if you work inside a large, store like I do. You see all kinds of people. And after seeing all these kinds of people, I've formulated the 4 levels of Ratchet. What Ratchet means is, look nasty, ill, you look better, you look like you roll out of bed. The first level of Ratchet is the gymnast. You go to the gym, you come out, wearing sweats, you're wearing a big t-shirt, you go to the store, you look Ratchet. Level 2, this is what I like to call the fashion disaster. Wearing short shorts, t-shirt, doesn't look good, colors don't match, you need some help. Level 3 Ratchet. This is what I call the confused bitch. Wearing Uggs and shorts and a sweater. Like, hello, this is, you have a phone, you probably have an app that tells you the weather. Maybe you should consider looking at it before you go out. And level 4, this is the disaster of all disasters. You do not want to go out looking like this. This is what I call the bed bug. Bitch, you need to get out of your pajamas and get dressed, go to the store. Not go to the store in your pajamas at 6 p.m. It looks like you've been in bed all day. That does not make you look good. 4 levels of Ratchet. Subscribe, rate, share. Please share. My last video, it got so much good feedback, and I loved it. Thank you so much to everyone who watched it and shared it and loved it and commented and liked it. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Love you. So, yep. Thank you for watching, and I hope you liked this video. Please don't go out there looking Ratchet. Please look like you at least tried. Please. Thank you.